Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. Yes, I'm here to share with you guys something a little different. Now I had this company reach me and ask me if I could wear my shirts in their videos, and I'm like, yes, because one thing I love wearing is t-shirts, and right now I'm just in that in-between stage from having a baby and, you know, going back to my normal weight, but I can't hardly fit into anything. So what I really love is getting new clothes, and I just love wearing t-shirts. So I had the company Thread Tank contact me and say, hey, can you pick out a couple shirts and wear them in your videos? And I said yes. So you guys definitely want to check them out. There is a lot of good shirts. There's one that I'm like, I want that one right away. I didn't even think about it. I'm just like, I want that one. But they have some really good ones. They go from a lot of wine and coffee shirts, which I don't drink wine or coffee. Otherwise, those shirts would have been great for me. Thanks, Ben. But otherwise, they have like some bachelorette and bride shirts, and they just have a ton of stuff. They even have Stranger Things, which I was just like, oh, that is awesome. Like, I kind of want a Stranger Things shirt. So depending on what they have, you definitely want to check this out. So I'm going to open this up and I'll be right back. Sorry, it's kind of hard to open something with Miss Charlotte here, but I'm here to share with you guys what I got. So they gave it to me in a nice little package, you know, nice little package. And then this is super cute how it's wrapped up. Now you guys can also get 10% off their website if you guys use DesignerJen 10 code. You guys can just put that in the code and you guys can get 10% off, but they definitely have some really good stuff. So you guys will see me wearing these because I am a t-shirt kind of person, but I hate ruining packaging. But yeah, it just says Thread Tank stories you can wear. But I think probably the next shirt I'm gonna get is probably Stranger Things because I am obsessed with that show. So here it is. Nice little packaging, and here are my shirts. Now, the one thing is, I like it that they don't have a lot of color shirts to choose from. It's basically a gray, a black, and like this reddish color, which I like because there wasn't that much to choose from for colors, which I like, but they had tons of different sayings. So here we got a nice little, it's like a reddish shirt, which I like it because this is a color that I normally don't wear. I've been actually starting to wear colors that are something different. I'm starting to dress like a mom, dress differently, because black is my favorite color. If you guys notice, I wear black a lot. Usually, probably not on camera, but I wear black a lot. So the shirt, oh, this is so soft. And she said they are true to their size, so I ended up ordering a large because yeah, that will fit me just perfectly. I'm just gonna put Miss Charlotte in my lap for just a second. Just Miss Charlotte's gonna go in my lap. Yeah. Okay, so this is the shirt I got. It does look like it's gonna fit. It actually looks like it's gonna fit perfectly fine, but it is just a little heart. I thought this is super cute. Now looking in the camera, that white really sticks out, but not really much on my end. But this shirt is super soft. I love it, you guys. Like, I love it. And this looks, and I like to wear a little bit of a baggy shirt, so this is going to be a little bit baggy on me, but that is fine. Super soft, you guys. I just love this shirt. So you guys will see me definitely wearing that one. Then they wrote, thank you. We're so excited to have you as a part of our Thread Tank family. We love to align our brand with those who aspire to inspire. Everyone has a voice, and we're so glad that you are letting us be a part of your journey. Thread Tank apparel is designed and handcrafted in Los Angeles, California, so you guys are supporting the locals. Our tops are super soft, comfy, and best of all, it tells your story. Tag us at Thread Tank on Instagram and share your story. Remember to keep creating, sharing, and most importantly, be beautiful. Okay, so I love that shirt, you guys. I'll probably be wearing that shirt a lot. And then the next one I got, now this is the one that I'm like, I gotta have it. Like, I just saw it right away when I opened the thing, and I'm just like, I love it. Now, this is a gray shirt. Like I said, I'm trying to get out of the blacks because I have a lot of black t-shirts. But it says, no. Like, seriously, I work retail and I understand this, but this is super awesome, you guys. I love this. I love it. No. Like, seriously, if you guys knew how sarcastic I am, I say this all the time. I say no, Ben, all the time, you know, so it's like, this is awesome. I mean, the print just looks awesome. I mean, it feels super soft. Super, super soft. I'm going to try it on real quick and share with you guys. So if you guys see these shirts that I'm wearing, you know, let me know. But, oh my gosh. Yeah. Okay, I'm just gonna get Miss Charlotte off my lap. Don't worry about my belly, but oh my god, you guys, I love it. And it fits perfectly. It just fits perfectly. Mind my gut, but yeah, so I am pretty excited about that. So definitely check that below. You guys can use my, not my referral link, but use the code DesignerJen10 and you guys can get 10% off your purchase of some awesome, awesome shirts. Again, thank you Thread Tank for sending me some shirts. I love it. I'm definitely going to be wearing these because they are so soft. I love super soft shirts. I just love, so I'm feeling myself up. I just love super soft shirts. So, but again, thank you guys for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up and I will see you guys all later. Bye-bye.